Hello everybody, how are you? I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. Thank you. You can see there are many trees in this area. Most tree Shal Bagan. It is a Shal Bagan. At present I am standing by Pabna Sodor Upazila. It is a Pabna Sodor Upazila. At present I am Shalgaria, Shal Bagan. English just practice. You can practice. I hope that you will be able to speak in English. You will be able to learn English. Change is not always easy. It is not always simple. It is very difficult. But you can practice every day. I hope that you will be able to speak in English. You will be able to learn English. Just practice. Practice makes man perfect. If you practice. Your family and your teacher or your friend. When you practice every day, you will win. There are many trees in this area. Some tree green coconut and some tree shal bagan. It is a shal bagan. It is a very nice place and it is a tourist place. There are many people come here visit in this area. I also come here visit in this area. It is a beautiful place and it is a famous place in Pabna district because you can see Pabna railway station. It is a beautiful railway station in my Upazila. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be learn English, if you want to be English speaker, just practice. When you practice every day, you will able to speak in English. Just practice. If you want to learn English, I advise you. You can travel. When you travel anywhere, any place, I hope that you will be able to speak in English. You can learn many things, and you can learn. Enjoy food culture, and there are many culture in our Bangladesh. Just travel. English is a just language. It is an easy language and it is an international language. English is a important language in our country, in our world, because if you can speak English is very well, you can enjoy. There are many different kind of people. You can get good job and make new friends and communication. There are many people. If you learn English, you can practice. You can everyday practice. I hope that you will be able to speak English. Okay, bye bye.